Hello mga ka-DJ, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is DJ Master. Ipipicture natin sa episode na to ang bakbakang Ryan Garcia versus Mario Barrios na gaganapin sa February 21 sa Las Vegas, Nevada, February 22 dito sa Manila time. At ang paglalabanan nila para sa WBC Welterweight Championship title po. At ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga huling naging laban. Si Ryan Garcia, ang huling laban niya kay Rolly Romero na kung saan siya ay natalo at pinabagsak pa siya nito. At samantalang si Mario Barrios naman, ang huling nakalaban niya yung ating pambansang kamao, walang iba ang ating si Manny Pacquiao na nauwi sa split draw po mga ka-DJ. So panoorin po natin itong video clips na nakuha natin.
If Romero does indeed pull this off, this is one of the biggest upsets in recent years. He was plus 700.
Wow, I never saw this happening, bro.
Well, he's not just winning the fight, he's walking away. I mean, your card was 107-102. Reverse one round and it's, 107-102. Reverse a round, it's 106-103. He's still winning.
Okay mga ka-DJ, ito yung naging laban ni Rolly Romero.
And Romero's slow pace. A smart strategy, right, Antonio?
Yeah, I think that was the only strategy, but I didn't think Ryan would cooperate with everything that Rolly was doing tonight. He cooperated, didn't really put up the resistance I was looking for, but still young, man. Like I say, we don't know the results of this fight.
Pinabagsak siya.
Stop at the bell, gentlemen.
Siguro baka
Something happened with the double left hook that put Garcia on his back.
So malalaman natin yan.
Judges Tony Brello and Tom Schreck both scored it 115 to 112. Oscar Roldan has it 118 to 109. The winner by unanimous decision, Rolando Rolly.
People's champ right here. Everyone loves Manny. He's a great person against Manny Pacquiao, and that gave Manny problems. And there it is. Every time that Barrio throws punches, he lands. You see that straight left to the body from Manny Pacquiao. Let's not forget. Ooh, beautiful. Just left hand to the face for Manny.
That right cross from Barrios landed flush, however. It's the back and forth between these two fighters. You can feel the tension and also the respect. 2026, tonight he says, you can't be a Filipino and not be a fan of Manny Pacquiao. Betting line changes, we got closer.
Yeah, no, you're right. And so far, Pacquiao showing some grits. He's showing some good shots, but again, the hard shots landed by Barrios.
There's a quick darting Manny Pacquiao finishes his combination attempts.
And Pacquiao can't get that jab off his face from Barrios.
How about that overhead right counter? He has been knocked down in his career, and that was 2012. Good quick hands from Manny Pacquiao to close out. Why he looks so, let's just say it, old against Ugas. And that was a much younger version of Pacquiao. A nice body shot there with the left from Manny Pacquiao to the solar plexus of Mario Barrios. Don't forget. It's like a really good body shot count.
That's what Manny Pacquiao is known for. The crowd, they love Manny Pacquiao. They know he can't do it, and I'm a believer right now.
And they may not be six-punch flurries. That's what Barrios has to do. Anybody can defy Father Time. If anybody could say,
Max DeLuca scores the bout 115 to 113 in favor of Mario Barrios. Judges at ringside, Steve Weisfeld and Tim Cheatham both score the bout 114 to 114. The decision is a majority draw.
Okay mga ka-DJ, yun natungayan natin yung kanilang mga previous fights ni Ryan Garcia labang kay Rolly Romero, samantalang si Mario Barrios kay Manny Pacquiao. Ang ating analysis dito mga ka-DJ, in terms of power, bibigyan natin ng may kalamangan si Ryan Garcia. Yung left hook niya kasi, yung kanyang weapon. Ang tanong kung tatama, pero pagdating naman sa experience sa welterweight division, mas bibigyan natin ng kalamangan si Mario Barrios dahil tested na to, mga nakalaban na nito si Keith Thurman at ang ating pambansang si Manny Pacquiao. At tinalo niya nga si Ordenis Ugas na tumalo kay Manny Pacquiao. So malaking bagay, samantalang si Ryan Garcia ay isang beses pa lang lumalaban sa welterweight kay Rolly Romero. Natalo pa siya at pinabagsak din siya ni Tank Davis, bagamat natalo rin ni Tank Davis si Mario Barrios. So at saka ang problema ni Ryan Garcia, ang kanyang weakness, yun nga, yung laging binababa yung kamay niya. Madalas nahuli siya ng left hook na nangyari kay Tank Davis at saka kay Rolly Romero. Kaya ayun, sa height advantage lamang din si Mario Barrios sa combination. So kayo, sa tingin nyo po, sino sa tingin nyo mas may kalamangan? So basta binigay ko na po yung mga strength and weaknesses ng bawat isa. Lamang sa power si Ryan Garcia, yung left hook niya, yung magdadala yung speed. Samantalang si Mario Barrios, yung kanyang pagiging legitimate welterweight, yung kanyang experience, tested na siya, at yung mga combination punches niya, at matibay rin to, at saka may katangkaran po. So sa tingin niyo po, sino mas may malaking chance na manalo, si Ryan Garcia o si Mario Barrios? So paki-comment lang po mga ka-DJ dyan sa baba. Pansamantala nagpapalam po si DJ Master nagsasabing laban lang. God bless you. See you on my next vlog. Bye.